Installing SurveyWorld. This is a downloaded RAR folder. Extract. Then drag and drop the contents to your desktop. You can close this. Open the folder. Depending on your system configuration, your system bit. First, install setup. Right click and always run as administrator. Always click yes when this dialog box appears. Then if you see any window that says ignore, click on it. Next, install Traverse Setup. Right click and always run as administrator. Choose your currently installed operating system. Click here to install. Provide your name or your username. Then create your own password. Then always choose drive C for best performance. Please restart your system immediately after installation. Restart your system. After system restart, open the app folder once more. Choose your system bit. Open the install folder. Then open the font folder. Select all fonts. You can press Ctrl A. Or you use the mouse. Make sure you select all the fonts. Right click on any of them and install. Completed. Close. Then this is the installed app. Open. Double click to open. That's it. It's ready to use. If you need more help from options menu or from help menu, you can get more help. Watch more videos on how to use the app.